Okay, well, this is going to be a break from my usual shorts. I'm unboxing something special here that I've been working on past half year. I'd say maybe even longer than that. Stay tuned for some announcements on this. This is the prototype of, drum roll, my first published book. It's actually a workbook. It is 10-second cartooning for the busy working professional. Yeah. So this is something that you can take along with a video course I offer. You can do this alone. You can work on some drawings alone, or of course there's some blank pages for practice. Or you can do this with the course, along with the course. And it's very has a homemade feel. It gives you some basics for lightly drawing, and blank pages, of course, but some more tips. If you haven't gotten into drawing, it's been a long time since you've gotten into drawing and you want to kind of ease yourself back into it, here they are. If you're just starting to learn how to draw, cartoon especially, there's some tips in here. Easy tips, nothing too complicated at all. As you can see here, practice shapes, the triangle. So yeah, there's some more goodies. Stay tuned. Keep watching the shorts for special announcements. Sign up for my newsletter for discounts. It's a 10-second cartooning for the busy working professional. The workbook.